Yan. Katipa, tuturo ko sa inyo ang Far Behind Candlebox. Yung ano lang ha, chords at saka yung ano, yung common riff, yung yun. Taka lang, inom lang ako kape. Ito. Yan. Yan, simple lang yan. Okay? So, yan ang umpisa natin. Yan ang una ko ituturo, syempre. So, i-standard tayo. So, lapit na tayo sa gitara natin. Dito tayo maglalaro. Dito. Na andito yung umpisa niya. Sa chord na G ito, katipa. So, mangyayari, yung 5th string mo, yan, nasa yan? Nasa 10th fret, 5th string. Okay? So, kalabitin mo. And then, susunod na kalabit, ayan o, second string, 10th fret din. So, yun yung dalawang pinagagalaw natin. Pinatutunog natin. And then, babalik ka na naman dito. And then, babalik ka na naman doon sa second string. Okay? So, ganun. Umpisa ulit. 5th string, second string, and then 5th string, and then biglang second string, pagkalapit mo, slide sa 12. Okay? Sorry. Mas maganda hindi kumakawala yung daliri mo sa 5th string, okay? Yan, okay? Tapos babalik sa pinanggalingan, kalabit ang 5th string na naka 10th fret. And then, ganoon ulit, second string ulit. Yun. Yun ang unang mangyayari. G ito, G. So, mabagal. 5th string, second string, 5th string, and then second string slide, balik, 5th string, and then second string. O, diba? O, demo. Nagets? Again. Yun. Dali lang, no? And then, biglang kalabit ang open 6th string. Kasi E minor na yan. So, ito, E minor fragment ito. Wala kang ibang titipain, kundi ang E minor dito. E minor to. 3rd string 9th, 2nd string 8th, and then 1st string 7th. Yan, E minor fragment yan. Okay, ganun ang mangyayari. Pagkakalabit mo ng 6th string open, i-strum mo yan. Ganun. And then, susunod dito. Ganun. Down, up, down. 3rd string and 2nd string 7. Tapos, 1st string 5th. Okay? And then, D talaga. Okay, D talaga. Yung ito, yung chord dito sa ating, 2nd fret. Ayan, diba? Tapos, kakalipitin mo yung open 4th string. Tapos, 1, 2, 3. Diba? Okay, pagka open ng 4th string, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then, C add 9 ito, di ba? Ngayon, bago mag C add 9, yung 5th string, open muna. And then, 2nd fret. And then, saka ka mag C add 9. And then, magpa-plucking ka ng, ano to? Mula 4th string. String number 4, 3, 2. Okay, 4, 3, 2. And then, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ganon. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ganon ang ating C add 9. So, mula sa open 5th string, ganon ha. Open 2nd fret, 3rd fret. Di ba? And then, C add 9 mo, plucking ka ng string 4, 3, 2. And then, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yun. Alright. So, yun, yung riff. Yun yung ating pag-aaralang riff. Laging ginagawa sa verse. Okay? So, demo. D. Tapos, si add 9. Now, baby. O, diba? So, ito, huwag kang mag-alala sa third string na open. G din naman ang tunog niyan, G. So, huwag kang mag-alala nadadali mo siya, di ba? And that's it. Mag-umpisa na tayo ng medyo iaano na natin to. Cover song na natin to, di ba? Now maybe. So, G. Ang chords ay G, E minor, or E minor 7 para masarap ang tunog. Didn't need to treat you bad. D. But I did it. C. Add 9. Anyway, then maybe some will say or never say yeah. Okay, kung meron ito, you fresh to stand around, they watch you crumble as you fall to the ground. Asan na ako? Fresh stand aside, you were flying. Oh, you were flying oh so high. But then someday people look at you. Watch you suffer. Yeah, they hear you calling home. And then someday you take our time. Rush to leave society, you get riches. Hey, but you left me far behind. Chorus. Wala rin na iba sa pattern dito, pero meron akong pwedeng ipagawa sa iyo. Okay, umpisahan na natin ha, chorus. Now may G, now maybe. Treat you so bad, but I did it anyway. No, baby. Some would say ito. Yun. Some would say that na 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 kung gusto mo lang gawin yun. Mayroong mga pa-style na ganun. So, sa huli yun. So, di ba? No, E minor 2 and 3 and 10. Okay, pag E minor mo 1 and 2 and 3 and 10. Ito 'yon. Fifth string tayo maglalaro. Puro fifth string lang. Okay, ang fret ay 7, 9, 10 and then 9 tapos 5, 7, 5, 2 and then umpisan na ulit ng verse. Yun. So, again, chorus. Ano? Na baby, yeah. Didn't mean to treat you so bad, but I did it anyway. Yeah. 1 and 2 and 3 and alright, meron pa ako isang ituturo. Kung kaya mong mag-octave, ibig sabihin, kasabay nung tinuro ko kanina, ay yung octave sa third string. Yung parehas na nota, marunong ka na ba yan? Masarap din pakinggan. Kung marunong ka lang, okay? Huwag na tayo magturuan sa octave na iyan. Ay, sana ay marunong ka na yan. Okay? Let's go na sa verse ulit. Couldn't stand the pain, they watch you suffer. Okay, wag na nating patagalin yan. Yun din naman yung tinuro ko kanina. Gagawa, kung gusto nyo gawin ito, okay? Okay? So, verse yan. And, oh, but you left me far behind. Chorus ulit. So, the same lang din. Gusto nyo ulit gawa nung pwede. Pero after nyan ay yung chords ng ad-lib. So parang chorus ang nito. But you gotta say the pain. G, E minor, D, C add 9. Ulit. E minor. Ito, matagal na G. Okay, and then E minor. Tapos G ulit na matagal. E minor. And then, ito yun. Hey, now. E minor, 7 pa rin. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Pero, kung gusto mong gawin itong bar chord dito, maganda rin pakinggan, okay? Ito yung, hey, I don't know. How? Babad. Ng E minor 7. Nagsisisigaw yung singer. Hey, now. Hey, now. Hey, now. Tapos, now, maybe. Ayan. Now, maybe. May ganon. Yun, gawin natin yan. So, edi nagsisisigaw. Hey, now! Tapos pagdating doon, now, maybe. Yun. So, saan yun? 5th string, 7th, and then 5, 5th fret, ibig sabihin. And then, pupunta ka sa 6th string, magkakadikit na fret 7, 6, 5. And then, open. And then, ayun na, yung G. Ngayon, hindi ito chords ng chorus, ha? Now, maybe, mahaba ang G. Now, maybe, didn't mean to treat you E minor so bad, but I did it anyway. Now, maybe, someone said you're loving what you had. Oh, ito, yung tinuro ko. Okay? They watch you suffer. Hold it down, oh baby. Didn't mean to treat you outside. Ito na, ending. But you left me far behind. Ulit, left me far behind. Isa pa. Diba? Yo! Dali lang, ha? Ayos. Parang doon here, up here.